Hello, welcome to how to set up a static address on a Ricoh printer. First, you find the IP address of the printer. By default, the printer is assigned an IP address from the router. It will change over time. To find that IP address, you use an IP address scanning software. I scan the IP address of the printer. This is the IP address I want to find. You can use another way to find the IP address. That is to access the router management page. On the management page, you find a list of devices assigned IP addresses by the router. You use the IP address found to access the printer management page. On a browser, you enter the IP address you just found. Network settings. TCP/IP. Set the static IP address you want. The gateway address is the IP address of the router. You are required to turn off the device, then turn it back on to apply the changes. This is my printer. I turn it off, then turn it on. Here are the steps to set up the IP address on the Ricoh printer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.